Hi everyone, I'm Eloy from Knowledge Sharing Tech. From time to time, I discover useful settings in Windows that I like to share with you. These settings, unfortunately, most of the time they are disabled by default. So each day in the morning, I start my working day and I open many applications in Windows. And I always wondered if there's a way like to save my workspace so that these applications will open automatically when I sign in. So yes, there's a way, and I discovered it in Windows, hidden and buried under like 3 submenus. And here I'm not talking about startup apps or putting your PC in standby mode or in hibernation mode, but I'm talking about saving the workspace when you sign out or when you restart the PC. So when you sign back in, you can resume work exactly where it was just before signing out. So let me show you. So now I'm going to show you where the setting is located, and then I'm going to demonstrate it for you. And then of course, also I'm going to explain the limitations of this setting. So it is under settings. So let's open settings in Windows. And it is under accounts. And under accounts, there's something called sign-in options. Click on it. And here's the setting. It is hidden here. So it is called automatically save my restartable apps and restart them when I sign back in. And the keyword here is restartable apps. So not all the applications and not all the windows will reopen, and I'm gonna show you this. So first, let me enable this option. And by the way, let me tell you some things about this option. First, it is valid even if you're using a local account in Windows. So you don't have to be using a Microsoft account. And it's also available on Windows Home, which is not always the case with Windows. So now the setting is activated. I want to minimize settings. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to open the applications that I usually use all the time in the morning. Now I open the applications and I'm going to show you these applications are pointing to where. And also I'm going to show you like the Windows disposition. And we're going to see if these applications will reopen as they are when we sign out and we sign back in, or when we like restart the PC. So this is Outlook opened, and the folder that is pointed in Outlook is drafts. So I'm gonna minimize Outlook. And this is Edge open on my Knowledge Sharing Tech website. And this is Word opened with a file saying hello from Knowledge Sharing Tech. And this is also Firefox opened on my Knowledge Sharing Tech YouTube channel. By the way, if you're liking this video so far, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a like. And you notice here that I opened also File Explorer, and you're gonna see why I opened File Explorer. So let's sign out now. And let me sign back in with the same user, of course. So the user was KST, and this is the sign in. And you are going to notice that most of the applications will open. So now I signed back in, and we're gonna see what applications open. So first Word, it opened, and it opened also the file that I was working on. So this is a good sign. Let me minimize it. And Firefox opened also, and it opened the tab to my YouTube channel. So let's minimize it also. And Microsoft Edge opened also, and it opened my website because it was opened before I signed out. And you notice that it also like remembered its place on the desktop. And Outlook, it opened also, and it is also pointing to the drafts folder, which is very good. But File Explorer didn't open. So this is something to take into consideration when you activate this option. So you have to see what applications will open automatically and what applications will not open automatically. I hope that this video was helpful to you, and I hope that this video will help you save a little bit of time when you start your PC in the morning or whenever you start your PC. If you like this video, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it, and this will help my channel greatly. And this way you'll not miss my future videos. I'm Eloy from Knowledge Sharing Tech. I want to thank you all for watching, and see you in the next video.